what I cook for dinner. Hello guys, good evening, welcome to my channel again, and welcome to Pherl TV. In this video, I'm just going to share with you that in this afternoon, I cooked this Sotanghon gisado na masabaw, okay? So if you do not know yet on how to cook this, I will be having my cooking tutorial soon. So if this is your first time here on my channel, please consider giving a like, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to get notified whenever I posted up the cooking tutorial on how to make this Sotanghon gisado, guys. Ayan, napakasarap niya guys kasi ang pinasahog ko niyan guys ay ganyan, chicken, breast chicken. Eto, hindi ko siya inubos guys kasi baka tomorrow lulutuan ko si bulilit ko ng macaroni soup din. Okay? So ito dito ngayon for dinner to guys. Yan, for dinner tonight. Okay, ready ng aming dinner. What's for dinner tonight? Ayan, may chayote, may carrot, and then may roosyang cabbage. Okay? Tara na guys, kain na now.